Thanks for joining me today. Today I have just a little bit of a walkthrough of my latest Traveller's Notebook spread for Hip Kit Club. Today I'm using the March kit, so that's the March Pocket Life kit, the embellishment kit and the paper add-on kit as well. In case you're not familiar with the paper add-on kit for Hip Kit Club, you actually get all of the papers that are included in the main kit, so that's really good to have. Today I had an idea to start off with a grid design on my right page. So what I've done is essentially just measured off into approximately 2 by 2 inch squares on the right side, and to define my grid, I've stitched with my sewing machine, which is one of my favorite tricks to do, just with no thread, so that it pre-pieces the holes for when I want to do some embroidery. So I've just run my sewing machine with no thread along each of those grid lines, and then I've pulled some embroidery thread in a warm golden sunny yellow colour and backstitched along all of those lines. To fill in my grid, I've grabbed a bunch of the beautiful bright ephemera pieces from Heidi Swap Colour Shine that we get in the Pocket Life kit this month. A lot of the pieces are on acetate, so they have a see-through element to them, which is really lovely, and they're just so bright and happy. So I've pulled a whole bunch of those from the Heidi Swap ephemera pack. I've also pulled from our exclusive puffy stickers that have been designed by Kim Watson for us this month. They're just beautiful. There's so many lovely stickers here. You get some word phrases or some phrase stickers. There's floral elements, there's speech bubbles, flowers. We have a lovely hummingbird here as well. So I put a couple of those to include on my grid as well. You can see here just the slice of orange, I think it is, and this gorgeous little bow that I've put over the pocket that I made out of some cardstock, which I then just used a circle punch to punch out the top of it, so that you can see the interactive element there and make you want to pull it out. So that interactive element, you can pop some extra journaling on there if you like, or you could even stick a tiny little photo on there. So that just sits in there. On my left side, I started off with one of the pattern papers from the Heidi Swap Colour Fresh range, which is has a beautiful painterly watercolory effect, and it's just so bright. Normally these are not colours that I would gravitate towards, but there's just something about the colours in this collection that are really pretty. So I've started off with that as a background piece of paper. I have my photo here, and I've just used a few of the papers to layer behind it. This is from this green and white striped piece, is from one of the ephemera pieces. And you can see I've used some more acetate hearts up here as well. These stickers here are from the Maggie Holmes sticker sheet that is included in the Pocket Life kit as well. So I've just used Sunshine Having Fun as my title, and just popped an extra couple of bits in there around my title. Just finished it off with some strip journaling, very basic. It's just a regular everyday Sunday thing that my hubby and I do. Just walk out to a jetty that we have near us at our house and just enjoy the sun in the late afternoon. So it's just an every other weekend kind of thing that we do. So some journaling about that. And to finish the spread off, rather than using splatters on this one, I grabbed some of the beautiful Doodlebug design jewels that we have. Again, these are from the Project Life Pocket Life kit, and they're such a gorgeous golden colour, so I wanted to use some of those, and I just added them in a little visual triangle there. And that pretty much finishes off the spread. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you haven't yet checked out the March kits from Hip Kit Club, you can do so by heading across to their website. I'll leave a link below in the comments below. You can also check out, while you're there, the April kits, which are just gorgeous. It's only going to be another couple of days until they start shipping, so definitely check those out as well. They are just beautiful. Okay, Thanks so much for stopping by today, guys. Bye.